thinking about my homeboy passed away. I can't go anymore thinking about my homeboy every day. How can it be? God, you took my boy from me. My best friend's gone, and I'm so all alone. I really miss my homie. Even though you gone away, I know you in a better place, and I know I see you again someday. Hey, I was riding Chevy, you up in the Ford. Man, I really miss you. Man, oh man, oh Lord, why ain't had to take you on the damn night of? We just got done drinking some liquor. I pour it out for you now. I know you up there smiling, and every single day I just think of you wildly. Remember the days in the cut, them winds of fucking bushes, getting stuck in the mud and them fucking ditches. Ride, boy, ride. I know I see you again. Until that day, I know I'm gonna repent for my sins, 'cause time's so worth it. Every day you gotta make it, and I see you on the other side. T57 ride. Boy, I know you're down for life, and I really miss you, buddy. Even though you're gone away, I know I see you again someday. Vodka boys, Windsor, how I stay.